guys, nagbebalik tayo sa ating vlog. So ngayon kakanta ako at ang aking cousin na naman. Kasama ko na naman ang aking cousin Zyle. Welcome Zyle.
Hi!
So siya ay kakanta ng K-pop Demon Hunters. Yung kanta sa K-pop Demon Hunters. Yung kanta ng Saja Boys na Your Idol. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'll be your idol, keeping you on test, and I'm gonna be in a seat in your head. And it's any church, say and the birds, I can be a sanctuary. No anyone to run right now. No anyone in my beds now. More the power, more the go. Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul, and the only one who loves yours is. Finally my boy stops and underneath your escape. Just sit aside, just sit to the quiet. Can the run make a little higher? Give it a desire. I'm a little star, you be liar. I'm on a gin, I can't look away. No, you don't want me to save you. And I can borrow. You're down on your knee and a big your idol. I'm the famous, just I'm your idol. Make it to the famous, just I'm your idol. Oh yeah, I'm a bishop weaver. I'm a little weaver. I'm a little just I'm your idol. Too late, cause you're mine now. Too late, cause you're mine now. I wanna make you free when you're all in part of me. Just sit to the quiet and let them make a little higher. A little desire. It's just a world on fire. And the jailer, I can't look away. You don't want me to save you. And I come by. You're down on your knees and a big your idol.
Ay, galing nga! So, it's my turn. My turn. So, I'm gonna sing the what it sounds like on Demon Hunters. So, nothing but the truth now. Nothing but a proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty and the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I shouldn't let that get it, I should meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. We shatter in the silence, no rising, defiant. Shatter in the quiet, you're not alone. We'll listen to the demons, we'll let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes. We're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire, and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty and the broken glass. The skies are part of me, darkness in harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the color stuck inside our head? Get up and meet the light, get it and meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. I was on every time, heedless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. So guys, that's for today. So yun lang, bye. Say bye.
Bye!
Bye guys, see you to my next video. See you to my next video.